Today we are going to discuss or advise the benefits of swimming. Swimming is having its own benefits like that. Whole your body works out. It works inside your body. It is suitable in case of injury also. It is suitable for other health conditions also. It is suitable in asthma also. It burns a substantial amount of calories like any other exercise. It promotes better sleep. It gives the sense of self-confidence and self-accomplishment. It is used for reducing your stress and making you relax, and it is a social activity. So, to begin with at the outset, swimming is an excellent way to work your whole body and cardiovascular system. It is the foremost exercise in United States after running and jogging and gym. So it burns substantial amount of calorie. From head to tail your body is having the exercise. It builds and tone your muscles and give the strength and endurance. Second point is it works inside your body. It is cardiovascular exercise and improve the heart rate and circulation. It also helps to improve the respiratory strength and lung capacity. So that is the most important benefit of exercise. Similarly, it promotes happy digestion and prevent the constipation. Because the gentle pressure of the water helps to release your digestive system into the gut, and that helps or promote happy digestion, and you are free from the constipation problem. Next is it is suitable in case of injury. So many people think that I had gone an accident and I have a fracture. We are suitable for injury, so we can swim in case of injury also. In other health conditions, swimming is suitable for Parkinson's also, where balance and coordination is a problem. So you can swim and get a better effect. Parkinson's people in a primary stage, so they can be benefited. Next is suitable in case of asthma. So people think that for asthma swimming is bad, but some asthma is patient is having the relax in swimming pool atmosphere because it is hot and humid. And second thing is that they have to start very slowly and increase their intensity and duration gradually. And they have to keep the inhaler always with them, and in case of problem they can break and use. Next is it burns the calories. So swimming is equivalent to other aerobic exercise, just like your gym, running and cycling. It burns 1 hour of swimming will burn about 400 to 600 calories. So, and it also helps to build the muscles around your body. Swimming is having the 4 strokes: freestyle, backstroke, breast and butterfly. So in freestyle you are having the toning of your arms, shoulders, back, core muscles and legs. In backstroke, your muscles around the chest, your back and shoulder is improved, and your legs are also improved. Similarly, in the butterfly, the shoulders, chest and back is improved. Next is promote better sleep. So repeated motion of the swimming will give your mind a calming effect. So you will fall into sleep and you stay asleep overnight. for a very nice sleep, swimming is essential because circadian rhythm, which is known as the sleep-wake cycle, so it is regulated by the swimming. So due to the swimming, so your sleep-wake cycle is also improved and you have a sound sleep. Self-confidence and self-accomplishment. So it is a personal thing. So when you swim, so your swimming stroke will improve, your swimming time will improve, your swimming duration will also improve. So you will get relaxed and happy, and you will go on achieving the more and more higher goals. So that gives the self-confidence and self-accomplishment. So when you learn the swimming, you may take part into the competition, you may win it. So that means your self-confidence will increase. It reduces the stress and relaxation. So that is important because swimming people are always very happy. Because swimming releases the endorphin chemical of the brain. So that chemical is for mood lifting. So this swimming will help to relax your body and reduce the stress. When you are stressful, you do the swimming, you will be de-stressed. So that is because of the endorphin chemical. Okay. This is social activity. Swimming is a social activity. It reduces your loneliness and isolation. When you take part in swimming club or join the swimming club or take part into the competition, so you have an opportunity to interact with the people. So your loneliness will be reduced and you will be social. So what happens, many people after retirement or something in the old age, they are confined to one room. So they undergo the depression and loneliness. So if such people go out and take part into swimming activity, so their depression and loneliness will be controlled. So all in all, I will finally would like to add that swimming is a very wonderful, lively activity. Whether you want to use it for reducing the stress or for overall fitness of your body and mind or for a fun, swimming is a lively and enjoyable activity. Thank you.